everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change voice in Bigo Live. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Bigo Live application. And once you open the application, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. Now what you have to do is click on that video icon which is appear on the center of the screen. Now here you can see the audio live. All you have to do is go live. So once you go live, what you have to do is click on that three dots or three options. Now here you can see many different options. Now go ahead and tap on mixture. And here on the equalizer section, you can just select any voice of your choice. Once you have selected the sound, you're good to go. So this is how easily you can change voice in Bigo Live. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.